First of all, congratulations to JLG on 50 years of being in business. It's a great company and a great brand. When our customers look for access equipment in our business, first of all, it needs to be safe, it needs to be reliable, and it needs to be efficient in its operation and performance. Kennards Hire has been in the rental business for 70 years now. We have close to 200 branches throughout Australia and New Zealand. We service various markets through our network. We service the do-it-yourself, DIY market, the trade market, so that's the man in the van that calls into our branch and picks up equipment, right through to the Tier 1 type customer, heavy construction markets. My first experience with JLG was when we did an acquisition in South Australia, and we bought a business that had a 15-foot JLG scissor lift on a trailer. And this really started the relationship with Kennards Hire and JLG. In 1996, Kennards Hire made a strategic decision to enter into the access market, and with that saw us enter into slab scissor lifts or electric scissor lifts on trailers. This was a great initiative and a great opportunity for Kennards Hire. So our uniqueness with JLG and our customer base, no one will have the JLG little scissor lift that drives up onto the trailer and falls down and the plumber can tow it away. No one else does that, and that's how our business is built with JLG. And today, JLG is still a major supplier of access equipment to Kennards Hire. Many years ago, Kennards Hire said to themselves, what do we want to be? Do we want to be a repairer of equipment, or do we want to be a rental company? And we said, we want to be a rental company. So with that decision, Kennards Hire closed down all their workshops and outsourced a lot of equipment and repairs and maintenance to suppliers. And I think it's the first in the world where JLG have and still does provide a service to Kennards Hire where they maintain and look after our fleet of access equipment.
Hi, Phil from Kennards. Just got a few machines in the yard if we get somebody to come out and do some P&P servicing.
And we call it a P&P, Preventative Maintenance Program, where JLG maintain all our fleet, do all our inspections, maintain our access fleet so we can maintain and concentrate on the customer. And with over 1,300 JLG products with Kennards Hire, it is really important that we have a great relationship, and JLG supports us in maintaining the access equipment throughout our large network in Australia and New Zealand. One of our most isolated branches in Australia is Alice Springs. And Alice Springs is pretty well central Australia, and its closest branch would be over 1,000 kilometres away. So it's a great testament to JLG that their model is set up to provide technicians throughout all of Australia to support us in carrying out our business. In the next 5 to 10 years, businesses will change and evolve. In Kennards Hire, we believe our suppliers are key to providing us innovative products, keep up with the times, and providing safe, quality equipment for our customers to make their job easier.